In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect iContact with Zapier. By the end, you'll be able to automate tasks between iContact and your other tools without writing a single line of code. Start by heading to Zapier.com and signing in. If you don't have an account, creating a free one takes just a moment. Once you're in, click Create or Make a Zap to start a new automation. Think of a zap as a simple rule. When something happens in one app, do something in another. Begin with your trigger. In the trigger search bar, type iContact and select it if events in iContact will start your workflow. If iContact is your destination instead, choose the other app as the trigger, and you'll add iContact later as the action. Next, choose a trigger event, like New Contact, Contact Subscribed, or Updated Contact. This tells Zapier exactly what moment should kick off your automation. Zapier will now ask you to connect your iContact account. Click Connect an Account. To authorize access, open your iContact dashboard in a new tab, click your profile icon, then go to Settings and Billing and open iContact Integrations. Find Zapier Integrations and enable it. Return to Zapier and finish the authorization. Zapier stores this connection securely, and you can reuse it across future zaps. If you manage multiple lists, make sure the account you connect has access to the lists you plan to use. Back in the Zap editor, configure any trigger details, such as which list you want Zapier to monitor for new or updated contacts. Then run a test. Zapier will pull in a sample record from iContact so you can confirm the connection and see real fields to work with. If nothing appears, add a test contact to the chosen list in iContact and try again. Now choose your action app. This could be iContact if you're sending data in, or another service like a spreadsheet, CRM, or form tool if the trigger came from iContact. Select the action event you want, such as Create Contact, Send Email, or Unsubscribe Contact. Map your fields by clicking into each action field and selecting the corresponding data from the trigger, like email address, first name, or list. Only map what's necessary, and keep your naming consistent to avoid confusion later. Run a test action to make sure data lands exactly where you expect. If everything looks good, give your Zap a clear name and turn it on. From now on, your automation will run automatically whenever the trigger event occurs.